Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a powerful little package for you here, a 1971 Plymouth Duster 340, and check out the colors. I love the orange interior with the orange paint, and it was born this way. We have the build sheet to prove it. It also has bucket seats, console, and factory air-conditioned car. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you get all the specs, pricing, photos, top to bottom of this car, and a few hundred collector cars we have on there, and it changes daily, actually almost hourly. But right now, let's go for a spin in a 71 Duster. The paint color is actually called Tor Red, but it looks orange, but they call it Tor Red. The interior is orange and black. So the inside matches the outside. That's really the reason I bought the car. I mean, I love the whole car and it's clean and that, but it's the interior that really sold me on the package. It's unique and sharp looking. I got the car down south, really solid. The whole underneath of the car has been cleaned and painted. It's all black and it just looks nice. The frame, rails, floors, everything looks really good and solid. A lot of front end components look really nice and recent. It's got new shocks. It's got a new dual exhaust system with the right tips coming out the back. Disc brakes in front. When you look up at the motor and the trans, they're completely clean. It's got the correct 340 motor, 727 automatic in there. The body, it's as good in person as it is on your screen. It is absolutely straight. All the gaps and panels fit real nice and smooth. There are no bubbles down here. This is just smooth as can be. Even when I run my hand across the door, you barely even feel where the door starts and stops. It's got the blacked out hood trim with this bold 340 Wedge sticker across the corner, the 340 down the side, and it's got the Duster sticker on the back. So it's got a lot going on. It's an exciting car. The original grille, someone has repainted it. It's got new chrome on the bumper. The original antenna is in excellent shape. New windshield. All this stainless trim has been buffed and polished. It's all straight and shiny. Vinyl top looks new. It's excellent. It has the sport mirrors, new door handles. Rallye wheels with BFGoodrich tires. They do look like they're 14-inch to me, and my eyes are getting bad. I can barely read that, but yeah, 14-inch. Again, the gaps are right on. The paint is slick. This paint's better than it was when it left the factory. Got the little 340 Duster, really cool rechromed bumper. I lifted the mat. Super clean metal. It's all painted this gloss orange, so it's got a nice, hard, durable, glossy finish. Brand new mat, brand new weather strip. Looking up at the quarter panels, they look to me like they're all original. There's no splices or cuts. I'm going to say they're the factory quarter panels. Door jambs are painted real nice. It has the original VIN number sticker right here. All the weather strips are soft and replaced. Now this has the rear windows that just pop out. These don't roll down. Bucket seat interior with a console. Pretty rare in a Duster. Usually they're bench seats, auto on the column. Interior's in really nice shape. Motor compartment's really nice looking. Previous owner said the 340 was rebuilt. It runs real strong. It's all stock except for a bigger heli carb with electric choke. But other than that, the air cleaner, valve covers, manifolds, all stock. The engine bay is all clean metal, painted real nice, bright orange. New alternator. Has the Mopar radiator. The shroud is proper. It is a remanufactured, rebuilt AC compressor. It's a factory air car, but it's not all hooked up. It's missing some of the lines. All them parts are available now, so I'm sure it wouldn't be too much to get the air working again. Door panels look new, and look how close it matches to the exterior. That's what I really like about it. When you get the inside and the outside to match that well. The seat upholstery doesn't look brand new. It's excellent, but it's got just enough patina where it's not new, but real nice. Steering wheel's not worn at all. The whole dash is mint. The chrome must be new because it's all bright and shiny. It does have the gauge cluster with all the instrumentation, factory radio, the knobs for the AC. Nothing's broke or damaged there. New glove box liner. Let me fire it up for you. This is a cold start. It's first thing in the morning. This has been in here since yesterday. I haven't even tried to start it yet, so we'll see how it does. I haven't even touched the gas pedal yet. Now I'll give it a couple. Dash pad's new. The mirror, the visors, the headliner are excellent. Where the headliner drops down, there are some wrinkles back there. But overall, the armrests, the carpet, upholstery, all in really nice shape. Console's excellent. The chrome ashtray door is a little tarnished, but overall real nice in here. Now the Duster is a pretty potent little package. That 340 Wedge motor runs strong. It's one of their better motors. Not a big heavy car. So you read up on it, you can Google the 71 Duster 340 Wedge. There's not really anything bad to be said about it out there on the internet. People really like this motor. This is a great package. It's a real muscle car, and it's got the look. You're going to pull in any cruise night or gas station with this car. It's hot looking. Even sits real nice. It's a quality car. It's investment grade. It's all documented with the build sheet. You know, if this was an ugly color and a bench seat with an automatic on the column, I wouldn't have bought the car, but that's pretty hot. VoloCars.com, that's where you can find plenty of ways to contact our staff, walk you through the whole process, answer all your questions about the car, the shipping, the financing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these exciting cars as we put them out there. I appreciate everyone who's been watching, and I hope you come back. We'll have a lot more.